Hi there, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. While I hope you are cheering on the Edmonton Oilers tonight, the Toronto Blue Jays are also one of Canada's biggest sports attractions. Now, you may not know this, but the company that owns the Toronto Blue Jays is also one of Canada's biggest cell phone providers and communications companies. And they are called Rogers Communications. And they kind of have a monopoly here in Canada. I mean, there's other companies, but let's be honest, this is one of the big ones. And the chart pattern is setting up beautifully here. As you can see, over the last couple of months, we have progressively higher lows, and we're getting closer to a clear resistance and consolidation zone from the beginning of the year. And so what I want to see from this chart from RCI is a break of that $50 level coming on higher than average volume. Now, today's volume was, pretty lackluster. And so what I want to see from this is a strong move through that level coming on volume. Now, you could probably get a little stock started close to the moving averages and then add with confirmation. I probably wouldn't chase a breakout up here. I'd want to at least get a little going close to these moving averages and then add with that confirmation higher. So this is just one of many charts that we're looking at right now over at StockMarketMentor.com. You should definitely check out what we're up to. Click the link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.